When someone uses a screen reader to view out contents, then they may not see out all the images. So in that case, what you can do is add in alternative texts. So to do that, you can click on an image right here, and then over here you can click on the three dot icon, and over here you can see that add alternative text is an option. So once you do this, what happens is that you can go around and add in a description. So let's say this is a decorative image, then you don't need any description right here. So let's say this is sunset right here. So now what happens is that text is added. So if someone were to view out the image in a screen reader, then they will see sunset text. You can go to more option right here and click on add caption as well. So once you do that, what happens is that you can go around and add in a text caption related to the image right here and format it according to how you like over here as well. And that is how you can work around with adding of alternative texts and captions inside of images in Google Sites. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.